The Boss SY-1000 really benefits from the addition of an expression pedal. I mean, particularly with the SY-1000, you could do so much. You can do volume swells, wah effects, pitch bending, blending synth layers, modulating synth parameters, and a whole lot more. So I was trying to figure out what would be a really good pedal to use with my SY-1000, and looked at what was out there and decided to do a little side-by-side comparison. So we've got a Roland EV-5. I've got a bunch of these. Every, I think, synth that Roland's made for the last several decades, or effect pedal, can use the EV-5. It's a nice pedal. These are going for, like, I think $75. It does kind of feel a little bit like a cheaper plastic pedal. And one drawback is that the cable on the EV-5, it's hardwired into the unit, and it's like a little over 6 feet long, but I mean, that's what you're going to be stuck with there with the EV-5. A step up from the EV-5 is the Boss EV-30. Now, this is a nice all steel construction, and you've actually, interestingly enough, got dual outputs on this. This pedal works great, and I think it's an excellent choice if you don't have a lot of room on your pedal board. The surprise to me was the Moog pedal. Now, I already had the Moog pedal, and I thought, well, let me try it out with the SY-1000, and it worked great. And the nice thing about the Moog pedal is that you can see it's much more like a full-size pedal. Kind of feels like it's a sturdier pedal when you're playing. It gives you more heft on the floor, and the thing works great. And these pedals go for $49. So you could get two of the Moog pedals for the price of one of the Boss pedals. Now, if you just want a great pedal and cost is not really a matter, then the Mission Engineering SP-1 is outstanding. It's actually got two outputs. One output for the control pot, and then it's got a built-in toe switch as well. So you can program the SY-1000 where this is going to work just like a crybaby wah. I do a little demo of that just on the SY-1000, where you can lean into that toe switch and switch the effect on and off. So right after this, there's going to be demos of each one of these pedals. I start off doing pitch bending, because I think if you hear how they do the pitch bending, it's a little bit more critical application. You're going to notice that if there's some glitching, and then that's followed by some wah demos. And again, uniquely with the SP-1, you can see how you can program that foot switch to switch the effect on and off. Anyway, I hope you find this helpful. Subscribe or click like, give me your comments, and thanks for checking it out.
Wow.